Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Today we're going to be making rice and beans. I have here a cup of rice, some vinegar, garlic powder, adobo, kidney beans, some extra virgin olive oil, Goya seasoning, homemade sofrito, which I will show you in another video, onion powder, and a cup and a half of water. Let's get started and put the olive oil in the pan. This is about 2 tablespoons. I went ahead and added in the sofrito and sazon, the remainder of the seasonings, a can of rinsed kidney beans, and we're going to let that get heated through. Then we're going to mix that with the rice that we had put aside. We're going to pour in a cup and a half of water and a cap full of vinegar, and we're going to let this come to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and simmer it, and every time you will have perfect rice. All you're going to do is stir this up to fluff up the rice, and then you will serve it, and voila, finished product. Absolutely delicious. A must try. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button.